This is the new 4-channel Cessna from Net Gadgets, and we'll give it a go today. It's fully proportional. You've got everything that you need. The wing is banded onto the fuselage. It comes with the battery and it's almost ready to fly. Probably take you about 15-20 minutes to just put it together. Just check that all the surfaces work. We'll do a bit of a range check, always wise. Walking about 50 feet away with the aerial down. Okay, so we're ready for the takeoff. Got a tail wheel and that'll help it to ride over the bumps nicely. You see how it goes. Maiden flight. Flying nicely. It wants to climb, and we'll put a bit of that push, trim down on the elevator just slightly. It's still climbing. Still climbing. Wow, that flies so slowly. It's nice. Stay out the sun. I'm just on about the 3rd throttle at the moment, and that's flying beautifully. Let's bring it in for a practice landing. That's nice. Okay. We'll bring this in for a landing. That's flying nicely. Round again, overshot. Oh, what a beautiful model. That was the maiden flight. I had plenty of confidence in it. I'll tell you why, because it's from Net Gadgets. You should go and buy one.